Donald Trump made the claim that if it were not for him, Republicans wouldn't even be talking about immigration. That's just not the case. Actually, Republicans have been talking about immigration for decades. Immigration was a major part of both the 2008 and 2012 presidential campaigns. The Republican debate about immigration increased exponentially after President Obama implemented executive orders shielding millions of people from deportation. Jeb Bush repeated his claim that if he's president, he can increase U.S. economic growth to 4% a year. Economists say it's really hard for the U.S. economy to grow at 4% under any president. That's because in order to have a faster growing economy, you need more people in the workforce. It's estimated that the number of people in the U.S. workforce is actually going to decline because we have so many baby boomers that are entering retirement. Jeb Bush called for replacing President Barack Obama's healthcare law with another law that wouldn't kill jobs. The facts don't support that America has lost jobs since the president signed the Affordable Care Act. In fact, unemployment has decreased dramatically since then. Trump says that under the nuclear deal, the U.S. is giving Iran more than $150 billion, but that may be an exaggeration. The Treasury Department estimates there's about $100 billion in assets that Iran hasn't been able to access, but a lot of those are tied up already in other ventures. Bush says that while he was the governor of Florida, the state created 1.3 million jobs. Well, that's true, but by the time he left office, 900,000 of those jobs had disappeared. That's because there was a major housing bubble while Bush was in office that led to a lot of construction jobs. But as the housing bubble burst, a lot of those jobs began to fall away.